it's cool to talk about what's happening right now. Behind me is my bike, and I am following a German gentleman to a place that I'm going to be staying tonight, like 30 miles outside of Puerto Escondido, up this windy mountain road full of potholes and dirt and dogs and stuff like that. So apparently it's a really interesting place. Looking forward to checking it out. He's riding this killer scooter right here, and he rides it like a madman. So ain't easy to follow, but it's a story. All right. I made it up the mountain, following my German friend on his motor scooter, and this is the house he brought me to. They've got some chickens and some roosters, and they've got some dogs, which I'll show you a few of. Probably won't be able to show you all of them. I'm their first guest in this house that they're building. Got a little bit of private parking for the motorcycle, gated, which is nice, since someone did try to steal it a couple days ago, but my alarm went off, so I chased them. Hey, so here's the puppies.
What do you want? You want upstairs, downstairs, and check the river?
Yeah, I do want to go downstairs and take a look at the river. Okay. So all these are rescue dogs that were hit by cars. I think there's 8 of them. And here's one of the house dogs. Sometimes they pee on my bike. So this is behind the house. It's about kind of stairs. Where does all this come from? Is there mountains?
Yeah, it's the mountains, yeah. There's a lot of rivers here that come from the mountain. No, it's not a lot of water. No.
Okay. Alright, this is going to be the ride back from, I believe, a town called San Gabriel. Highway 131 back to Puerto Escondido at the coast. Adios. Okay, I just got this ridiculous idea that might work, but I can't videotape it because, well, I'll explain. I'm gonna take this selfie stick that the camera's on right now, and I'm gonna tuck it down my shirt and into my pants, and then have the camera hang out right here, because there's some potholes coming up that I definitely want you to see. Okay, there you are. Here, I thought that I wouldn't be able to show you what this looks like. So I've got I'm pretty sure you can see that. I can't see it because my phone won't connect to the camera, so I can't see what you're seeing. But as you can see, a selfie stick is in the shirt. And let's see if I can point down. You can see what's going on down here. So the loop from the selfie stick is wrapped around my belt so that when this stick, if it ever falls out, it can only fall so far, and the camera then will just dangle. The camera will just dangle down the side of the bike, slapping against it and maybe hitting the road until I can pull over. Until then, see what happens. if this works, I mean, come on. As you can see, I'm wearing my high-tech jacket. Very, very protective. I got my helmet right down there on the side of my bike. I've got a skull to protect my brain. Oh, and also with this GoPro, I can rest my head on it. I can rest my chin on it. I think this is the answer. One thing I didn't think about is that if I crash and this selfie stick jams the GoPro into my Adam's apple, it could collapse my windpipe and I would die. And I might be the first person killed by a GoPro. I don't know for sure. Got to be other idiots out there who've done worse things than this. Like, somebody must have put a GoPro in their mouth by now. Sometimes these cows are outside the fence, walking down the side of the road or the middle of the road. Ooh. That's just a speed bump in the middle of the road. It's not painted, there's no signal, there's nobody, just by the way. There's some potholes. That's just the start. That's just like the music in Jaws, letting you know that there is a shark coming. There's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's gonna get so much better. Some shadows. Oh, god dang, little potholage. That's a skinny dog. That is one skinny dog. Okay. They pay attention. So they fill these potholes with dirt. I don't know how long that lasts, maybe an hour before they don't. And then sometimes they'll just string a string across the road and they stand by it almost like they're gonna pull it as soon as you pull up and knock you off your bike or something. I don't know. I guess it's to, like, at some point stop traffic so they can fill the potholes with some more dirt. I don't think you can see how deep some of these are. That's just a big pothole. The whole thing is a pothole. That word is starting to sound weird to me now. All right, let's take a break just for a second. Yeah, I think I'm gonna switch this over to narrow view so you can get a better view of the nonsense. People down here don't wave to each other on motorcycles because everybody rides a motorcycle. You would just be waving like a pageant queen all day. See, there was a rope in the road. I would pass right there, but as you can see, right before the turn is a huge patch of dirt. Imagine trying to slow down right here. San Pedro. It's got a beautiful, beautiful church here. So you can take this type of express from Puerto Escondido to Oaxaca, and that's the bus that is apparently just madness. Welcome to Semana Santa, busiest week of the year for traveling here in Mexico, at least that's what I'm told. Let me show you a little bit about what that looks like. So this is a small beach, absolutely packed. You can kind of see in the background up there the stairs that it takes to get down here. And this is all the humans. So in 2 days this will all be gone and everything will be back to normal and prices will be reasonable and all that. So this is Puerto Escondido. This is the north side of Puerto Escondido and that's kind of it.